We'll open it up. We'll open up the box.
I can't do it.
Daddy's helping. Hold on, look out.
He's definitely taking a lot more milk than Emily took. 3 ounces.
Look out. Alright. Open it up. What's in there? What's in there? Oh, what is that? What is it? Can you get it out?
I can't.
Here, Daddy will help you.
Baby side.
What is it?
Babies.
Little babies?
Oh, they're so cute.
Oh,
They are. You got some babies?
Open it up.
Okay, hold on. How do we open it up?
wow, Emmy.
Not sure how. Where? It is stuck. Here we go.
Thanks.
From Grandma Phyllis, Emmy.
Oh, watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
Okay.
Let's try opening it up.
It's working.
Boy, this is packaged really good. Holy cow. We got lots of tape on here. What is it?
Daddy, Daddy.
What is it?
Wow.
I love it.
You like it? Oh,
Can you
boy.
say thank you to Grandma Phyllis?
Say-
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, can you get those out? Can you get them out? Daddy's helping. Hold on.
Wow.
This is pretty tight. There's some more down there. Boy. They did not want this to come apart.
Daddy. Excuse me. Daddy.
Oh. There's little babies. They have little hats. We got little baby clothes. There you go. And it's time for me to get out of the picture.
Emily, can you say thank you to Grandma Phyllis?
Thank you, Daddy.
Tell Grandma you love her.
Love you.
Love you.
I love you.
Do you love your present?
Often the spokesman for Libya during the uprising, well, he was captured over the weekend while trying to cross the border and get out of Libya. Libyan officials say they will ask for the death penalty for Saeed Gaddafi. Here in New York City, a man the NYPD is calling an Al-Qaeda sympathizer is behind bars.
Well, Grandma, kiss.
26-year-old Jose Pimentel was arrested
Mwah.
in his apartment over the weekend accused of plotting to blow up police cars